Hello everyone, today we'll make a ghee or purified ghee from the Kirkland Grass-Fed Butter. This is one of the best product that we can use to make a ghee, and that's really healthy option instead of buying it from the store or any instant store or even from the Costco. I would recommend this one is the best. It has very good taste and as well as very good texture. This one cost around 13.99 or sometimes 14.99 in Costco. I have taken the salted version. This is 908 grams or 2 lbs in weight. It has 4 stick. Let's take a heavy pan. Put all this butter stick. Use medium heat to heat it, and then we don't need to stir it because this is salted, so just we wanted to clear up the foam that this is the milk portion. Basically we are trying to remove as much as we could so that it's easy when we try to filter this. So I have used one pan and then one uh, paper napkin, paper towel, and then just place it on a strainer, and then you can do two-fold here. I have did the two-fold, and then wait for the this to cook properly. So it's almost, I would say, 30 minutes that I have cooked it. I'm still cooking it, and then unless you see it's transparent, then only you can start putting or pouring it into the strainer. So after almost 30-35 minutes, it's ready. Now I have switched off the heat, and then now I have taken a spoon and then trying to move, and then see here I am trying to pour here, and then slowly. And the goal here is not to shake the entire uh, butter here, because salt is there at the bottom. We don't want to disturb it, so we wanted to carefully take this clarified butter here. So I'm carefully taking it slowly, steady, and then taking it and then transferring it to the strainer. You can see it how clear it is, and that's the sign we need to switch off the heat. Okay, and then you can see here it's how clear it is. It's completely transparent. You can see it's not foggy, and then you can keep on uh, taking it and then slowly transferring it, you see. And I have placed here this paper towel so that even in case if we get some portion of the milk, we still it can hold it, it will not transfer it to the pan. Right now keep on doing it, and then see how it's going smooth, and then let's take another one. So it took me around almost 5 minutes to transfer this entire content, and then you see I started around 12:59 I guess, and then now it's 104, now it's 105. I'm keep on doing it. At the last I'm just trying to move a little bit here and there so that it can move easily, because now there are many content of milk, and that's the reason it will take some time. Initially it's faster, but slowly it accumulates this milk, dry milk portion. It will hold the this the clarified butter here. So I'm just trying to, and then at the last I just did very carefully not to move the bottom one, which is more salty, because it's a salted butter, so I don't want that salt to be in the clarified butter, right? So I was very cautious at the end, and then this is what it is. Now let's take a empty can, and then it was I have transferred it completely. So with this